How to fix your Black Ops 6 ranked mode error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status. Rank mode may be disabled due to server issue or maintenance. You want to check Activision server status before anything else. If that is not the case, you can also you can also simply go ahead and check your internet connection. A poor connection can also cause these kind of errors. You want to also try to restart your game and console or even your PC, which will go ahead and fix multiple temporary issues. If that is not the case, you must meet all ranked mode requirements at level 50 or higher, 2FA enabled, number verified, and good standings to go ahead and have your ranked mode. You can also try updating your game or even clearing your cache. If nothing works, try resetting your network or contact Activision support at support.activision.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.